Yo, what is going on guys? It is Caspahz here, and today I am going to be covering all of the known Cold War zombies information in 5 minutes. To locate the parts to craft the Pack-a-Punch machine, you will have to enter the Dark Ether through the purple orb in the main area. When double Pack-a-Punching a weapon, you will now have the choice of selecting which ammo type you would like. The 4 ammo types are Cryo Freeze, Dead Wire, Napalm Burst, and Brain Rot. There will no longer be a limit on how many perks you can have at once. There will be 6 perks on the map: Quick Revive, Juggernog, Speed Cola, Stamina Up, Deadshot Daiquiri, and Elemental Pop. Quick Revive will allow you to regenerate and revive players 50% faster. Juggernog is going to increase your max health by 50, which is equivalent to 1 zombie hit. Speed Cola is going to increase your reload speed by 15%. Stamina Up will increase your run and sprint speed. Deadshot Daiquiri will aim down sight to critical locations such as the head and remove scope sway, and Elemental Pop will allow for your bullets to have a chance to apply an ammo mod. Please keep in mind that the effects that I just read out are the base level perks without any upgrades. Perks will now be upgradable along with alternate ammo types, field upgrades, and weapon classes. In order to upgrade, a player will have to gather raw Ethereum crystals by reaching milestone rounds or successful exfiltration. Upgrades which will be unlocked will be permanent, and as per the leaks, it also stated that you will be able to use a new innovation called runes to upgrade as well. For each upgradable item there will be 3 tiers. Each tier is going to provide the player with additional benefits. It will cost 1 Ethereum to upgrade your skill to the first tier, 2 for the second, and 3 for the third. With the new weapon rarity system, weapons will now come in 5 tiers: common/loadout, uncommon, rare, epic, and legendary. The higher the rarity of the weapon, the more attachments will be available and the more damage it's going to produce. You are now also able to bring in your custom classes, however the weapons will be of the lowest rarity, which is common. For your custom loadouts, you will only be able to bring in a single weapon and a field upgrade. We will also be seeing 5 unique field upgrades, which are Frost Blast, Healing Aura, Energy Mine, Ring of Fire, and Aether Shroud. The Frost Blast upgrade delivers frost damage and slows down zombies. The Healing Aura heals you and your teammates. The Energy Mine is simply an explosive. The Ring of Fire creates a ring around you which boosts damage for you and your allies. It also has the ability of creating a burning effect on the zombies. And last but not least, Aether Shroud puts you into the Dark Ether for 5 seconds, at which you are undetectable to zombies. There will also be 5 new score streaks, which are the Combat Bow, Sentry Turret, War Machine, Chopper Gunner, and Self-Revive. Players will now be able to have armor. It will either be picked up as a drop from zombies or purchased using an in-game currency called Salvage. You will be able to have 3 armor plates at once, and this armor is also going to be upgradable. You will be able to use the salvage dropped from zombies on crafting tables to craft lethal, tactical, and even monkey bombs. Salvage will also be upgradable to another tier, which will allow you to upgrade your weapon rarity. Zombies will now drop loot. That can range from anything such as a frag grenade to something rare like a cymbal monkey. The new wonder weapon, which goes by the name of Decompressive Isotopic Estrangement Machine, will also have 4 of its own unique ammo types. These ammo types are Nitro Stream, Particle Beam, Plasma Ball, and Gas Cloud. It is also rumored that there is going to be a new wonder weapon similar to the ray gun, but this time it's going to be a rifle. In addition, the leaks also stated that there is going to be a buildable jetpack with 5 components to it. Also, with reference to the leaks, there have been 5 character names which were released: Dmitriev Kalashnik, Orlov Medved, Vogel Kurtz, Valen Peck, and Dr. William Peck. There will be ammo crates scattered around the map, and these crates will replenish your ammo. The cost for the ammo is dependent on how many times you've pack-a-punched your weapon. For the first time ever, they are now introducing a ping system into zombies. By pressing left on a D-pad or Z on the keyboard, you will be able to share information with your teammates without speaking. Starting at the end of round 10 and every 5 rounds after, you will have the option to call an exfil. Once the exfil is called in, the regular zombie round will end and you will be given an objective to reach the exfil site. If you successfully complete it, you will be rewarded with rewards and some Ethereum. The last thing I would like to talk about is microtransactions. Currently there is no word of any microtransactions in zombies. However, with the introduction of raw Ethereum, it might be purchasable with real life money. With that information out of the way, this video now comes to an end. I made this video high paced to deliver as much information as possible in as short of a time frame as I could. If you did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate if you could drop a like on it. It helps me out a ton, it helps my channel grow, and it helps my videos surface to other viewers. Also, if you don't want to miss the videos that I will be uploading on the release date of Cold War Zombies, make sure to hit that subscribe button below this video and you'll be notified every time I upload. Until next time, it's been Caspahz, and I'm out. Peace.